Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you all another custom order project. And yeah, she requires of the bridal lace and some bling bling. So I decided to make her a book of lace. And all this is my old creation that I use the item that my dear BFF1 sent to me. All this is her handmade flower. Yeah, I use it in all this project, and yeah, you can see. And this book of lace is inspired from my dear sis Shoba, and yeah, she make all this book of lace couple. So yeah, I think yeah, couple not I really forget how many years ago, maybe 8 or 7 years ago. So I used the idea to make something that I like, and hold all these gorgeous items that I collect all this year. So all is a bridal lace, and inside actually you still have different. Yeah, let me remove because I don't want to remove all this down. So yeah, all this flower I purchased from Wa, I believe. Yeah, and yeah, I use all my favorite item to make all this. So yeah, hold all the bridal lace is turned out so beautiful. So later I will show you another one that I made, and the size, this size is quite I think 1 2 3, I think 5 or 6 inches high, and the length is about 3 inches high. Now today I will show you the bigger size that I made. Okay, look at this, my other doll, Victorian doll. Sorry, I'm back. Okay, I show you. This is the latest book of lace that I created. So yeah, you can see the size is the length is for the cover is I really forget. Let me measure. I make the size 9 inches by 7. Okay, it's quite big size. And all this abricate, I didn't glue it, so yeah, so you can remove everything on the cover. And also I didn't glue this, and underneath I just use the lace fabric to cover the underneath is the lace. So yeah, there we have 1 2 3 4 applicates that I just use the pin to pin it up here. So yeah, and you can see it's quite thick here. Everything is gorgeous. Okay, the back I will show you first. Okay, all the book of lace, and here I will add the flower later. Let's see. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I add these two beautiful flower on top here. Okay. Now this is the front page, I mean the cover page, and inside is all this yummy gorgeous bridal lace that I collected in these few years. And yeah, all is my collection. So I have to part it with them, 1 yard each. And yeah, for the fabric book, I have mentioned I use the hard cardstock, and with the cover with the muslin fabric, just like so. Okay, and gorgeous, another yummy, and this yummy, and let me show you. Oh, this Bling. Here, I just hang it and use the pin to pin up. Okay. So heavy the book. Yes. Okay. And also this one I use the lace fabric to cover the page. And another beautiful, and the tassel, yeah, beaded. And the last page is, oh, another beautiful. I had this color here. Okay, yeah, actually I have to get another bright color here. Yeah, you can see I have pink, so yeah. Okay, that's so. The total have 6 pages, 6 flip inside, and at the back here, this beautiful huge tangle piece that I custom order from my dear friend Asma in Malaysia. So yeah, she made this. I keep this in my stash quite sometimes, but I just want to include this. And in the middle here I add this another tangle pieces here, the original one. Let me to show you. The original is like so. Oh, this is the piece. Goes. Okay, here we go. So it's like big. Okay, also the book I cover with this lace. Okay, so because I have no space to put this piece in, so I just put it at the back here and just use a pin and pin up, so we can remove and use it for the project. So yeah, this huge book here, and now we wrap it and ship it up in the box because this is quite heavy. And yeah, and you will ship it with the box. Hopefully can fit in this box. Yeah, fit, yeah, the size, not sure if it can fit in or not. Anyway, yeah, thanks again for everyone, and yeah, please feel free to leave me comments and let me know what you think with this gorgeous piece here. And thank you, my dear sis Shoba. Yeah, I love this idea to keep all the laces and everything in one book, and you can store this into your collection box, so yeah, easy for you to flip out and see all the yumminess inside. And thanks again for everyone, and yeah, if you like this, and just give me a big thumbs up, and feel free to leave me comments and let me know what you think. And thanks again.